Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel GoRiya Kids. Today topic is colors name. We will write, read and learn colors name with spelling. First color name yellow. Y E L L O W. Green color. G R E E N. Violet. V I O L E T. Red color. R E D. Pink color. P I N K. Orange color. O R A N G E. Black color. B L A C K. Brown color. B R O W N. Blue color. B L U E. Gray color. G R E Y. Golden color. G O L D E N. White color. W H I T E. Let's repeat color name again. Yellow, green, violet, red, pink, orange, black, brown, blue, grey, golden, white. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel GoRiya Kids.